Today, we're going to talk about how to take a yoga posture, a yoga pose, Warrior One, and turn it into a movement of walking. How it can translate into centering you for gait and a smooth walk. I'm McCall, and today we're going to go into a yoga posture, and we're going to take that yoga posture and show how it relates to walking. All right? So I'm the posture princess. I love to work with posture. And the other day I did a Facebook Live, I think, and I was doing Warrior One, and I thought, man, this is a beautiful way to learn how the legs work when walking. Plus, there's a lot of other benefits from doing Warrior One, but I'm going to show you how I do Warrior One. Now, I don't follow the ideas of many yoga teachers and people the way they use yoga postures. I'm always following how the bone relates to gravity, and I always want to be real relaxed when I'm in a yoga posture. So I'll take you into Warrior One, and then I'm going to show you how it translates into walking. Just really cool. So like say you're on your walk or your hike or whatever, you could do this. It looks a little bit like doing a lunges, but it's a little bit more effective. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna go into Warrior One, and I'll just put one foot out. Let's put the left out, I got the right back. Now my main focus is where my hips are, okay? I call this the bowl. I'm setting the bowl, centering it. I don't tuck, I don't engage, I don't hold, I don't do any of that stuff. What I do is I just drop down into my crotch. I move my leg out so that my knee is over my heel, and I don't twist, I don't turn. I check and see if this bone right here is level on both sides, your ilium, and then I just drop. I don't put my heel down in the back. I don't worry about straightening my leg, because watch if I do. If I try to do that, it starts to pull me off, and then there's tension, and I have to pull the tension back. So just hang down in here. And so you get grounded in it, and you start to find out that your legs do this so well. One goes back, one comes forward. I drop my chest, arms go up, I drop my shoulders. I put no tension in my arms. So I am hanging in here. And then the cool thing about this is I can push off from my back leg, and then I can drop forward. So this immediately gives you the understanding when you come out of Warrior One, how the back leg, it can accelerate you over the front. See, in most people's gait, people are tight in here and don't have a lot of movement intelligence in here, meaning they're either tight walking forward or they're throwing and hitting their heel hard. So there's just, to gain intelligence in here, you have to get down in here. So let's do the other leg. So put my right leg out, left leg back. Real relaxed, chest relaxed. I'm in my bones. Let them sit down, let them go. And I go out, and this knee's back over the heel. There's no twisting, there's no holding, there's no sucking in, there's just dropping. These are level, so this hip isn't higher. I drop, I feel working here. I relax, arms are up. So here I am, I'm really letting go, and I'm grounding in my pelvis by just letting go. Now I want to go forward, so I'm going to take this back leg and I'm going to push, and I'm going to fall into my front leg. And so in walking, it's basically a falling motion where I'm falling forward. So if I'm falling forward, that means this leg that is behind me is the one that helps me translate forward. The one in front catches me. So Warrior One is so cool. So you could be on the trail or on your walk, And you could go in. You don't even have to put your arms up high. You can just do this. This would be nice. You can press up into your hands, like you have a pot on your head. You go down in it, rest, get a stretch, chest falls, breathe, let all the weight go, push off, take a step, go down, really get down in there, press up in my hands, I like that, push off, fall. I mean, I'm getting a lot of range in here, and my hips are becoming intelligent with the idea of moving from up here, really moving from here. You think you move from your hips, but you don't. Most people are moving a lot from their knees, or they're just throwing. So when you start to really get deep in your hips, like in this move, and feel the depth, feel yourself let go, let go, let go. You get strong. You get really strong. Let go. And then you'll have a knowing that walking comes from here. Okay? And that you're falling and pushing